Hello, it's Dr. Nan here, and I'm going to explain how to use Smartsheet for your assignment, for your project schedule. The instructions for the assignment gives you the link to the Smartsheet application. You'll create an account. You'll probably have to use your Point University email address or some other business address. You can't use a personal address to create your account. When you log in, you want to choose Project Schedule Management. It's a medium complexity design. And then once you are on that page, you will choose on the right hand side Create from a Template. And then underneath that, you'll choose Task Tracker. And that will bring you to the sheet that I have in front of me. Let me minimize that. There you go. Now yours won't look like this because I've been modifying it. I have clicked in this cell and changed what was here and put Project West Point Christian Pediatrics. You can do that too. This is the name of the project. And then they have the different phases, and you can change each one of these items to match your project, okay, and what you've created for your project tasks. You'll have to use your work breakdown structure as the high level, and then you'll add to those high level activities and create more detailed tasks in the project schedule. Now notice you have your task name. If you need more rows, you can simply highlight and then click this little box up here. Hope you can see that at the top, and this little bar at the cross right here. This will create a new row on top of the one you highlighted. So when I click, I got another row on top of this one, and that way you'll have more room to create more of your tasks. Okay, you can delete these main headings and put the ones you want, or you can use these. That's totally up to you. You will put a description if you need to describe what those are, and then you will put the name of the person. You can use fictitious names. Use your name if you were in charge, like for example the business case. As a project manager, you would also be in charge of the kickoff, so you'd put that and put whether or not it has happened, right? Over here, this is your Gantt chart, and you can see how it will build as you add and create more items. But I want you to notice here, this edge of the Gantt chart is, if I put my cursor on it, it turns into a little bar with two arrows. That means I can slide that. So if I click down on my mouse and slide it, there's more things that you can fill out, and I want you to do all of these. The start date and end date, if you enter the start and end date, it will automatically fill in the duration, or how many days it took, right? And then also on predecessors, if an activity, for example, this one, it says 8. Well, number 8 is the predecessor for the communication plan. Number 8 is calculate budget. So they said you had to get calculate budget done before you did your communication plan. The same with risk management. If you see a 9, that means number 9 has to be completed before risk management. Number 9 is the communication plan. So add some predecessors, at least 5, to your assignment, and then anything that might be at risk for your project schedule. All right, so just fill that out. When you're finished, make an image of what you've done. It might take more than one image. Hopefully 30 tasks are enough, but if it's not, you can scroll it down and then get the next level. I think it should be plenty. And then take one with the Gantt chart all the way back so we can see from at risk all the way to task. And then on the second image I need is move the Gantt chart so that I can see all of the Gantt chart. You don't have to be all the way over, but as long as I can see the whole Gantt chart, then I'll be happy, okay? And then upload that image, and then you'll be done with this assignment. All right, so have fun.